Welcome back. We're going to talk about a new style by Belle Tress today in their Icons collection. We're going to check out Spencer in the color Cool Chai Blonde. Spencer is a versatile yet sophisticated, elegant pixie style cut with lots of choppy layers. You can find it right here at WIGSTUDIO1. If you drop below the video, expand the description box. There'll be a direct product link there. If you click on that link, it'll take you out to the site. You can see all of the colors and pricing for this style. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@WIGSTUDIO1.com. So let's dig right into the specs of this style because I think the really spectacular thing about it is this cap. So right around the front is about 4.5 inches, and that measurement carries through the back, tops, and side. And then it has a 1.5 inch nape, so you will see some tapering. This is a largely straight style, but the layering gives it some sass, some elegance, and some ability to style it around the face. I just love the fringe on this style. This is made from heat-friendly fiber. It's soft, it's silky, it's buttery feeling. And the good news is you can use the heat from your hand. You can use heat tools on this to make it your own. Spencer weighs less than 2 ounces. It's a very light density. There's absolutely no permatease on this style. So let's head into the beauty of this cap. It's a completely hand-tied design. So you'll see that there is an extended lace front there that extends back and around the ear tab, a little bit of polyurethane there at the ear tab. And then you'll see a double monofilament top. And then some hand-tied panels, some integrated wefting for support, Velcro style adjusters. It just doesn't get any better than that. Now I did have to cinch it in as far as it could go to accommodate a petite average circumference. It fits typical Belle Tress. And this lace front is to rival the very best. It's a nice fine grid, fine knots. They bring the highlight up to soften the area. You can part it wherever you like. And I just love the natural look of this style all the way around, and that is due to this cap. Cool Chai Blonde. It's a 10, a 17, a 23, and an 8. It's gonna look a lot like Shaded Biscuit by Raquel Welch, but I think it's a little cooler than that depending on the application. You're gonna see that it has a lot of variations of ash blondes in it. A little bit of sandy tones to it as well, none of which are warm in nature. It's very, very cool. And then on a medium root. So this definitely is neutral to cool blonde shade. I think it will satisfy a lot of you. It's not a stark platinum. The root blends beautifully. This style is directly out of the box. I gave it a shake just to wake it up a little bit. Hello. Let's get air into those layers and flesh out the true nature of the style. I think there's going to be a lot of versatility in that, so let's get started. I am going to try with glasses, as suspected. Works splendidly with glasses. A very comfortable fit between the ear and the ear tab. Just perfect for everyday glasses wearers. Remember to find this one right here at WIGSTUDIO1. We'll see you soon, right back here at TAZS's Wig Closet.